Welcome, everyone. In this video, we are going to uncover the secrets to becoming a millionaire. Are you ready to learn how to achieve financial abundance and create the life of your dreams? Let's dive in. Becoming a millionaire is not just about luck. It's about adopting the right mindset and taking intentional actions. It's about setting clear goals, making smart choices, and persevering through challenges. Today, I'm going to share with you the principles and strategies that can set you on the path to financial success. The first key principle to becoming a millionaire is having a vision. Visualize yourself living a life of financial freedom. See yourself achieving your goals, enjoying abundance, and making a positive impact on the world. Next, it's essential to develop a strong work ethic. Success rarely comes without hard work, dedication, and persistence. Embrace a mindset of relentless pursuit of your goals. Be willing to put in the effort and go the extra mile. Another crucial aspect is financial literacy. Educate yourself about money management, investing, and wealth creation. Learn from experts. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with individuals who have achieved financial success. Building multiple streams of income is a key strategy to accumulate wealth. Find ways to generate income beyond your primary job or business. Explore opportunities such as investments, passive income streams, and entrepreneurship. To be a millionaire, you must be willing to take calculated risks. Successful individuals understand that risks are opportunities for growth and reward. Assess the potential risks, do your research, and take strategic steps towards your goals. Being disciplined with your finances is crucial. Create a budget, live within your means, and save consistently. Make wise financial choices, prioritize investments, and avoid unnecessary debt. Delay instant gratification for long-term financial stability. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive network. Build relationships with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. Collaborate, learn from each other, and leverage the power of a strong network. Becoming a millionaire is not just about the destination. It's about the journey. Embrace the process, learn from failures, and stay committed to your vision. Remember, success is not only measured by monetary wealth, but also by the impact you make on others and the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards financial abundance. By adopting the right mindset, taking intentional actions, and persevering, you can create a life of wealth and fulfillment. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Here's to your millionaire success.